Hello, welcome to my channel, and we are discussing about industrial automation, in which today we will be discussing about automation versus mechanization. Now there is a very small difference between automation and mechanization, and a lot of people tend to confuse between these two. So let us get that clear today, the basic difference between automation and mechanization. Let us start. So there are three or four points which we are going to discuss about difference between automation and mechanization. So mechanization is basically replacement of human power with mechanical power in some form. Okay. Automation is the replacement of human thinking power. So automation is more about decision making. Automation is more about thinking, changing thinking from human beings to the machines, and mechanization is only about converting same process with the other resources of mechanical power, not the human power, human muscles. So example is in front of you. If we replace human carrying weight by a bullock cart, so we are replacing human muscles to the animal carrying cart. So that is the example of mechanization. That is not the automation. But if we replace our system by a computer system, so computer system is having its own thinking, its own storage, so it will take decisions, take judgments based on whatever value we are providing. So that will be the brain of my new system. So that is basically automation. So we are replacing thinking power there. So auto mechanization basically saves the human muscle power, use of human muscle power. So whereas automation saves the human judgment power. Okay, so then mechanization is basically displacing physical labor. It is only about physical labor. Automation includes physical labor plus the mental labor also. So it reduces the effect of physical labor, also the mental labor. Then mechanization, if we implement only mechanization, it will affect one or two industries which are connected in series for a specific process, but automation will affect all the chain of the industries which are working together. Okay, so automation affects more industries, mechanization affects less number of industries. Automation can be handled using you need a skill for handling automation. So skilled labor is required for automation, and once process is fixed, that skilled labor can be converted into unskilled labor or semi-skilled labor also. So that way automation is having more advantages. The basic difference which we have understood for mechanization and automation is mechanization basically played very vital role in industry 1.0, which is start of the industrialization, and automation is playing very important role since industry 3.0. Since 3.0 is about computers, automation is also playing important role in coming industry 4.0. Okay, so that is also a difference between mechanization and automation. In industry 1.0 there is no talk about thinking power or replacing human brain with the computer, but now in industry 3, industry 4, we are talking about replacing everything with the system, our computer brain. Okay, so that is basically about the automation. So this is basically a simple difference between automation and mechanization. So try to understand that difference and don't get confused into mechanization and automation. Those are two different things. So this is what I want to discuss in this video, a very simple topic, and we will meet in next video related to automation. Till then, if you haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe my channel. If you like my content, share it with your friends. Thank you for joining.